I just finished this vintage Reuge double singing bird cage. It's just an absolutely wonderful condition all the way around. I fully serviced the mechanism, so it plays exactly as it should. The birds are in exceptional condition. Bluebirds on the Reuge cages are not common, and they're really pretty. It's my favorite color on a Reuge bird cage, complemented by the yellow bird on top. I'm going to shift this lever and we'll hear it play. We're starting off on the pause feature. All singing bird cages have a pause feature. And if the pause feature doesn't work, that indicates that there's an issue with the singing bird cage. This has a wonderful and very long pause. We'll wait for one more. Oh. Slide the lever to the right. Bear with me. It's tough to do with one hand here. The birds sing with full voice, hitting all the proper oscillating notes. The bird and tails flap and synchronize to the singing bird song. The birds also rotate their head, and their entire body rotates as well. Perfect animation. See the tails. I'm going to shift the lever back to the left, and that turns it off. So in summary, a vintage Reuge double singing bird cage. It's been fully serviced. It's in excellent mechanical condition and also excellent cosmetic condition. And this was actually crafted in 1971. Take care.